I'm telling you what, Mark, these bears, they are in the news lately.
They're
climbing all over the place. So I guess watch out for those bears out there. But you'll have to watch out for some rainfall, too. That's a whole different story here. But check it out. The live look across D.C. A little haze still in the sky. Yes, those wildfires are still raging across Canada. And once again here early this week, some of that is drifting our way. But it's not going to have any sort of major impact, especially as we get that rain moving in later on. And out over Hagerstown, still the same there. A good mix of sunshine and some of those high clouds at this hour. But again, things are going to be changing drastically this afternoon. Out along the Allegheny Highlands, the very edge of the Blue Ridge Mountains, we already have a good amount of cloud cover building, and soon enough, things will turn overcast across the entire DMV, soon to be followed up by some rain showers and a few thunderstorms. And one sure sign of that is we're noticing those dew points climbing a little bit into the upper 50s and low 60s. So that moisture is building into the air once again. And once that rainfall moves in, then we'll start to see some of that moisture in the form of that rainfall. So there you go. This afternoon, mostly just scattered rain showers, especially across the northern half of the DMV. Now, as you go south, closer to where this system is tracking, the chance for rainfall will be higher, and there could even be a few thunderstorms south of I-66 in Virginia, and then across far southern Maryland, St. Mary's County, to be exact. After this system rolls through, though, hey, high pressure is going to return, bringing us cooler temps, sunny conditions the rest of the week before we watch out for a few rain chances this weekend. It's not going to be as soggy as it was last Saturday, but hey, we're still talking about some soggy weather. Speaking of, here you go. This afternoon by 2 o'clock, pretty much everybody will be on the cloudy side of things. And notice we're starting to see those first few rain showers across western Maryland into West Virginia. And that rainfall will continue to track east. As we head into the evening time, we will have our highest chance of rainfall across the entire area. And notice just to our south, there are those thunderstorms. They could very much clip by Fredericksburg down toward Lexington Park. That's where you could definitely hear a few rumbles of thunder. But by about 7 to 8 o'clock, most of this lighter rainfall and even those few storms will be very rapidly coming to an end. And by 9 to 10 o'clock tonight, all of this rainfall is going to be exiting out of here, and we're talking about plenty of sunshine returning for us on a cool northerly flow throughout the day tomorrow. So yeah, it's short-lived, but this storm system will bring us a little bit of much-needed rainfall, but again, not much. I'm really emphasizing that little bit part here, maybe not even a tenth of an inch in most locations. If one of those thunderstorms drifts by the southern part of the viewing area, we could see some higher totals, but all in all, this is not going to be any sort of significant rainfall event, just enough to cause a little bit of a nuisance for you out there. So yep, dealing with the rain showers, then that high pressure to our north really takes hold. We'll see sunny skies and seasonably cool temperatures for mid to late May, lower 70s all the way through Friday. We do warm up a bit as we see some rainfall return, mostly on Saturday. Could see a few spotty showers this coming Sunday, but yeah, all in all, folks, it looks like a pretty quiet, pretty decent forecast for us here over the next 7 days.